Okay, we took this one out, and then when you put it back, you gotta go like this. Put this one in. Gotta go to this. Gotta go to this one here. See, I'm clicking it like this. Plus, gotta go. You gotta put. What is the? Anyway, no ground here. Oh, the ground over here. You gotta put the ground together and put it back. Now we gotta take it out. Now we're gonna pull the motor. That's the motor gear they call it. You gotta pull it out. It's very easy if you have room to work with. You open this fan here out. You take the fan out, and then you gotta have 5/16. Open this. 2 screws here out. And then another screw here out. And there are some washers, you gotta pull them out too. Careful here. Okay, now you gotta pull this one out here. Be careful with the wires. See how we pull it out? See? It's easy to pull out. See this one here, you gotta put some, you pull this one out also, put some
high heat,
they call it Lucas, assembly lube.
Yeah,
you clean it here, you clean it here, you put some here, and then you put it here, and then you put it back together.
You can get it from your local auto store.
Yeah, AutoZone or
Advanced Auto Parts.
Advanced, yeah. And then
Nice.
very easy to put it back. You put it oil, and then you put this one back. And then you put the washers, you put back the fan. Put the back fan again, upside down. You tight it, and then if you have hard time over here, you just turn this one here and make it straight with this gear. You gotta make it straight with this gear, and then you push it in. That's all.